Look at this room service. Look at this room service. We got Chef Ethan in the house. Barista,
Hey,
man. You make a good barista.
How you doing, huh?
What's this Al Pacino voice you got going on, man?
Just a little...
Where's that country accent that
morning fun.
I used to remember.
A little
Sing
morning
me something,
fun,
man.
baby.
Sing me something.
Sing me something. What do you want to hear?
Sing me some Elvis or something.
Some Elvis?
Yeah.
I don't even really know Elvis. What do you want to hear?
Sing me
Mamas, don't let your babies grow up and be cowboys.
There you go. Where's your guitar?
Don't let 'em pick guitars and drive 'em old trucks. Let 'em be doctors and lawyers and such.
There you go.
There you go, babe.
Good morning, y'all. We are headed out of here. Ethan's got to go to work, working on a Saturday. I'm gonna head to a coffee shop and get some computer work done, some client work done, and then I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret about what I'm gonna be doing in Texas. So get ready for that. Bye bye, Ethan.
Bye, baby.
This is a super cool coffee shop. Check this out, I'm the only one here. Ton of character. Alright, y'all, I had to get another cup of coffee. Just such a good cup of coffee. I love going to a different part of town, different place, getting out of my normal bubble, going to a new coffee shop, like not a chain coffee shop, but like a local coffee shop, working on the computer, getting some stuff done. Didn't get all my computer work done, but I got quite a bit done. And it's just, I don't know, I love it. I love it, starting the day off right. Cheers. All right, y'all, so I've been driving around in Texas, and I'm wearing like slacks and dress shoes. I gotta change into some cowboy boots here, I feel out of place. Oh yeah, so much better. All right, y'all, so here we are in Texas. Here's the destination. I wanna kinda show you a little behind the scenes what we got going on here. My next big project that I'll be rolling out, so get ready.
But from the computer world, what I do here is, I'd come here with I'd have 3 screens and all 3 of your pieces of artwork, and I'm gonna lay this on. Imagine this is on this screen here pretty soon, right? So I'm gonna lay it down. You still have your art piece on it, right? Well, what this is soft black, man. It's just what you think it is. I'm gonna throw it on there.
Alright, y'all, so I have not really posted anything about the shirts that I've been working on. I've been diving deep into the shirts and apparel, the hats. So we got some things coming. Just be patient with me. We're gonna do a launch of that at some point in the not too distant future. I gotta make more shirts, gotta get more shirts, gotta get more hats. but I'm excited about this. It's gonna be super cool. Y'all been asking about the apparel for a while, like a way to rep the brand, rep the shirts. So I'm diving deep. I'm learning what I can. I'm gonna try and make this work. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any ideas, because I'm totally open to ideas, open to suggestions. Whatever y'all want, that's what I want to do. I want to make this, you know, good for everyone. So let me know what you're thinking. We'll talk soon.